Hello everyone, you're welcome to Franka's kitchen today. Today we're gonna be making mushroom sauce, mushroom cream sauce. Here I've got my canned mushroom. You could get one from the shop, fresh ones from the can. And here is my cream, schlank and I've got my onion, I've got my pepper, my salt, and one Maggi cube to taste. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Here's our mushroom already washed, so we're gonna add it now. Cover and let it cook. So we'll check. So we've gotten the consistency we want. As you can see, it's brown. Can you see that? Meaning it's really cooked. So we'll add our cream. Second one, because I have two cans of mushroom, I'm gonna add a second cream. So add a little salt in my 1 cube of Maggi, and then a little pepper. Stir together. Taste for salt. Super. So now I want to add my pita salad. So I'm gonna add my pita salad just to give it a little flavor and a look. It's already scenting. The scent or the aroma of the food of the cream sauce is already coming out. We'll cover and let it boil for at least 5 minutes and come back. So our cream sauce is already really boiling. So remove the cover. We're gonna stir. And let it really boil. It's not yet thick enough to the stage I want. So let's check for the last time. Our cream is ready. Our cream sauce is ready. This is so creamy and delicious. Very easy to make, very creamy, and very delicious. I did it for my children, and of course myself and my husband. So you too can try your own at home. It's just for another taste in your house. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.